Writing a polynomial equation given its key characteristics. What are the key characteristics of a polynomial function? Zeros, x-intercepts, or roots. These points represent the points on the graph where it crosses the x-axis. You would need an additional point, a point that the graph will pass through. The degree of the polynomial. You will need to know the degree of the polynomial so you can be on the lookout for double and triple roots. Words like cubic, quartic, quintic will provide clues for you so that you know if there are double and triple roots. In this video, you're going to see how to create an equation given these two key characteristics. Example 1. What is an equation for a cubic function with zeros 1, -2, and 3 that passes through the point 2, 12? You will use the basic polynomial equation y equal a x minus r, x minus s, x minus t, and so on to determine the equation. Here are the steps. Take the general polynomial equation y equals a x minus r, x minus s, x minus t, and substitute in the data given provided in the question. So we are going to substitute the roots that we are given, or the zeros that we are given, for r, s, and t. We will now get y is equal to a x minus 1 times x plus 2 times x minus 3. The next step is to take the value of the x and y point given to find what a is equal to. So we will take the result that we got in step 1 and substitute into that expression equation the values for x and y. Y equals a, x minus 1, x plus 2, and x minus 3. Y is 12, x is 2, so we substitute that into the equation, and then we solve for a. And we find that a is equal to -3. So our next step then is to substitute these values of a equal -3 into the equation, and our conclusion will be y equal -3, x minus 1, x plus 2, and x minus 3. Your turn.